Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to disable Google Chrome's auto sign-in to your Google accounts in your Google Chrome web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up Chrome and then select the menu icon up at the top right. Just go ahead and left click on that and go down and select Settings. On the left side, select You in Google. And on the right side, select where it says Sync in Google Services. Underneath Other Google Services, allow Chrome sign-in. By turning this off, you can sign into Google sites like Gmail without signing into Chrome. You just go ahead and toggle that to the off position if you want to turn that off. If you want to re-enable it, you can just toggle that to the on position. And then you would select Turn on Sync. Again, that's if you wanted to allow syncing. Otherwise, if you just wanted to disable it, you will need to relaunch Chrome in order for the changes to save. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.